You will learn how to quickly remove your debit card or credit card from Google Play. So, if you are subscribing to new Google services and you don't want that to happen for them to keep debiting your accounts, learn how to opt out by removing your card from the system. The first step you need to take is to launch a web browser. So here, let's go with Google Chrome because we are talking about Google products, okay? Visit this web link, play.google.com. All right, this is where you will find all your cards. Play.google.com. So I'll press the enter key of my computer keyboard. You'll be landed on a page that looks like this. Click on your profile icon. In this case, mine has my image. In your own case, it will be just your initials, all right? So I'll click on this. Then from the list of options, select payments and subscriptions. You'll be taken to this place and you'll be placed on payment methods by default. The next step is to click on edit payment methods. This will list some cards you have already added on the platform, all right, for your subscriptions, all right. And you can see here I have this MasterCard, I have this MasterCard, and I have this MasterCard as well, all right. Okay, this is a Verve card and not a MasterCard. So what I need to do is that I want to remove these for safety. I don't want to have all these cards here. So once you get to the card you want to remove, click on the remove button. Okay, it said removing it means you won't be able to use this payment method for Google products and services without adding it again. Alright, listen, if this is the only card I have, it will tell me to add another card before removing. So you must be ready to give them a new card before you can remove the one you want to remove. But here I have other cards and that's why it's not prompting me to do so. So the next step is to click on remove. So you can see that card has been removed. So if I want, I can still remove this Valve card from this system. If this helps, consider subscribing. Here we cover a lot on information technology. So subscribe to learn more. Hit the like button and leave a comment. You can scan this QR code here to get any of my information technology books. Everything is simplified. So do that to learn more. See you some other time.